Alrighty, we just got to our cabin and I wanted to give you a cabin tour here. This is your standard balcony here on Norwegian Cruise Line. You come in the door and then right here is the powder room. So you can kind of see here, and then these little shelves are handy to put your stuff. The shower is like plasticky. I don't think it's glass, but anyway, it's a nice size shower, if you can tell, and it has this frosting here so that if you don't want anybody looking through, they can't see through. And then right here, I thought I would show you, they have the liquid soap, and then there's your towel racks. So then it's nice that they've got a full-length mirror right here. That's very handy. And then right next to it here is the bed. Now, when we were on the Encore, our room was switched around, so the sofa was over here and the bed was over there. But so this one, you have a little bit more room. It is still really tight to get into the closet area here. It is nice, so they've got shelves, and there's the safe right there. And then let me show you the other side here really quick. So you just get in here, and you've got your area here. Let me get over here so you can kind of see where you can hang up your clothing, put anything up on that shelf there that you need to store. And you've got your nightstands right there. This is a king size bed, or queen size. I think it's a queen size, but I'll check on that for you. And then this is the sofa right here. And then right here, here's your TV. There's the nice, you can pull out that little square ottoman and sit on that if you would like. If you're trying to turn this area into a desk, or trying to do, I don't know that you can sit there and do your makeup, because I don't know that, I think the mirror might be a little tall for that, a little high up, but it's a very nice cabin here. There's the artwork, and then here's the balcony. Just thought I would show you the view of the stateroom here from the balcony. So I think it's really very nice. I like the colors. It's nice that it's white. And yeah. Oh, and then you know what else? Right here on the back of the cabin door, you can see here's your muster station right here. So just slide it open. Whoops, sorry. And then out here you've got your two chairs, a little table. There's the other chair. What do you think, Gordon?
This is great.
Yeah, it is great.
It's either the mighty Mississippi or the muddy Mississippi.
It's the mighty Mississippi. So to leave New Orleans here, we're going to head down this way. So we'll be turning around the front of the ship here. We are, where are we at? We're midship. And so we are on deck 10, just to give you an idea of what you see when you look out here. And so here are the lifeboats right here. So if you don't want to see lifeboats when you look out, I would suggest you be much more aft or much more forward.
And definitely more up.
And definitely more up. So we just booked this and they assigned us a cabin and we're tickled to be here. So let me know if you have any questions.